Hello, everyone. We're continuing with our series in Catalyst and managing projects with Redmine. Juan will keep on explaining. Hello, Juan.
Hello, Miguel. Let's get back to our project then. In last video, what we did is that we prepared everything to have a table that links to our project details. And if we click on that, we are redirected to the project details. And the only thing is that the project is not dynamic. We're always retrieving the project with the same ID, which is number one in this case. So we'll go back to our XModeler and we'll modify this so that the project ID is dynamically sent to the project detail. So what I'll do is that I will edit this, and what I need to do is change this one here that is hard-coded and change it for something dynamic. Let's go and do this. I will edit the operation. And what I'll do is that I'll use this syntax and I'll make a reference to the record ID here. Okay, so now the record ID, which is a value that Catalyst has always available to use in your URLs or wherever you are working, will be dynamically filled. Okay, as simple as that. If I go now to the detail and I reload it, I will get nothing. Why do I get nothing? Because I haven't specified yet an ID that needs to be shown. So I'll go back here to my XModeler and I'm going to edit the table we created and the link we added. The link in our table was here in Views, Tables, Edit the Table Projects, and I'll go to where I had my link, which was here. What we are going to do now is that we are going to add a parameter to our URL, and we will use the VF params reference, and we will give a value to the record ID, and this value will be the actual ID of the record that is being shown in the table. So we make a reference to record.id. We save this. We save our table. And if we go back to our list, we have here our project list, and we click on a project. And we now see that the proper data is retrieved. Here we have the ID 12. And if we see our URL, we have the vfparams.recordID that received the value 12. In the next videos, we will continue doing some modifications here. We will see the project Catalyst, and here you will see that we only see the ID and the name, but we are not seeing the values for these custom fields. And if we make the call to the API, we'll use the ID 6 because that was the project we just had there, Catalyst. We see that there is a value field in the custom field, and Catalyst failed in recognizing this. In the next videos, we will learn how to fix this kind of things that might from time to time happen when the JSON that we retrieved didn't include that field when we were generating our data definition. Thank you, and see you next time.